Blackbridge is a world leader in the geospatial imagery business. We are the third largest provider of satellite imagery in the world through our constellation of satellites that we own and operate, Rapid Eye.
With the operations of those satellites, we have ever-increasing volumes of data, and that led to us developing our own data center and cloud services company, which we provide out of facilities here in Lethbridge.
The Blackbridge facility is a purpose-built data center here in Lethbridge, Alberta. We host our co-location facilities out of there, as well as our cloud infrastructure and a whole suite of backup and replication products that we offer.
The impetus for setting up the cloud services was really to provide an infrastructure for our own use around processing satellite imagery and managing those large volumes of data.
And so by marrying our data center facilities with Quantum's DXi platform, we were able to create a managed service to allow customers to back up their core data and their critical data to an off-site secure location.
Blackbridge Stratus is really an ideal solution for providing enterprise-class disaster recovery and continuity services. We're able to leverage our infrastructure to not only back up the customer's data, but to also be able to restore it within our facilities and restore their virtual machines and their computing infrastructure within our facilities as well.
Stratus is built upon industry best practices. You have your production data in your location, you have a local copy of backup, and Stratus is built on the premise of taking a second copy and putting it off-site for disaster recovery.
So Blackbridge has been using quantum technology for quite a number of years now. Actually, our first introduction to quantum technology goes back almost 10 years, where we leveraged some of their tape archive technology to support our satellite imagery business.
It's an interesting use case because we have to keep the data forever, and it has limited value until all of a sudden 50 years from now, for instance, someone says, I want to know what the land looked like 50 years ago. And now all of a sudden that data set has a huge value.
One of the biggest advantages of working with Quantum and partnering with Quantum has been whenever I go around and talk to potential customers, everyone understands the solid technology behind Quantum. So it's really easy to go out and sell the services because a lot of the technology due diligence is done just by saying the name Quantum.